In this video, let's explore the full Monte risk analysis software, which we have already in MS project. Actually, we have installed and we have just integrate with the MS project. Okay, so you can see here under the add-in, and you can see here we have the full Monte 2016 here. Actually, Full Monty for MS Project seamlessly integrates into the MS Project menu structure and works directly with the data open in MS Project. Okay, so to begin working on this specific project, simply open it as usual within MS Project, whether from a local file or MS Project server. Okay, so you can see here we have here a full Monty. Just simply click on this link or option. So here we have the warning. Actually, first time you can have a warning. Okay, actually, uh, you will have this. Maybe you have a first time warning, or maybe you will have warning. Then we will do any type of modification in MS project. Let's suppose if we will modify any column or etc. Okay, so you can see here the warning. This project is new to full Monty, and it looks as if one or more of the user fields which full Monty is the currently configured to use text one responsibility. So actually you can see is under the user field I have just uh, I have just entered the responsibilities here, so you can see. So that's why full Monty is giving us the warning. Okay, so I have data in them or are the associated with the lookup table or a formula. So if you do not want this data overwritten, okay, you can see it. So you should change the field mapping. Okay, so would you like to full Monty to process an alternative mapping that does not conflict with any existing data? So it's okay. You can see if click on yes, so you would like to full Monty to propose an alternative mapping that ensures there will be no conflict. Okay, so second, you can see if you will click no, so if you would like to retain all the existing mappings, so but be aware that this may be cause existing data to be overwritten. You can see it, so you can choose. Okay, so it's fine. You can click on no, and you can here. Okay, so first of all, we will take an overview of this window. You can see, yeah, when we will land first time into the Monty software. So the window will be look like this. You can see here. Okay. So first, let's understand the interface of Full Monty. You can see here on the top we have a main menu, file, edit, view, helps, etc. Then you can see we have here risk analysis. You can see here. Okay, so after that we have a graphs here. Okay, so let me close this one. Okay, because first we will take the overview of this interface. Okay, so then we will perform risk analysis. So on the you can see the screen consists of the multiple sections. Okay, so on the left you can see here the left panel show the structure list of the task within the construction project. Task having fields such as ID. You can see here task identifier, and then you can see here the task name. So with the name of task title here, you can see here. Okay, so after that we have a remaining duration here. Okay, remaining duration, actually, that is the already estimated time left to the complete the task. Okay, so the system will fetch automatically from the MS project. Okay, so next you can see duration distribution type we have here, that is the normal. Actually actually this column specifies the probability distribution used for the uncertainty modeling. Okay, so next you can see we have the duration optimistic. So I mean the duration are optimistic, most likely pessimistic. Actually, uh, these terms we use for the defining the uncertainty in duration. So after that, we have here the duration most likely. So then the duration pessimistics. Okay, so you can see here a duration confidence interval. So actually, this column, you can see here, this column represents the confidence range of the completion. You can see we have a 100% here. Okay, so let's move to the right side. On the right side, right panel, on the top, you can see we have here the distribution type, that is the normal. Okay, so actually distribution type, if I click on just I click on drop down, so you can see we have a different options: non, beta, long, normal, normal, triangular, uniform. Then the last one we have inherited. Okay, so after that you can see here we have the duration or the percent. So actually these things are very important to understand here. Okay, optimistics, most likely, then pessimistics values actually define the range for a possible duration. Okay, so now set correlation, you can see here, we if we click on option, so still you cannot see here, but allow the dependencies to be modeled between tasks. Okay, so here you can see we have here the probability distribution graph. Actually, it is the visual representation of uncertainty. Okay, so by default you can see percentage, we have a 90% optimistic, means the optimistic minimum, then most likely will be 100, pessimistic is the 110, and the confidence interval but in a percentage we have a 100. So by default system will have this data. Okay, has system have these settings, so you can modify as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope everything's clear. Actually, it was just a little overview of this interface. Okay, I hope everything's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.